To make this eggplant salad, we need 2 big eggplant cut into cubes, then put in water and salt and soak it for half an hour. I deep fried half of the quantity of the eggplant and the other half I sprayed it with a little bit oil and baked it in the toaster oven. Now we're gonna assemble the salad. I have here half of the fried eggplant and also I have the baked eggplant. I'm gonna mix them together. Give it a gentle toss together. Then we're gonna add the veggies. We have here colored pepper, yellow, red, and green. You can use 1 color, 2 colors, whatever you want. And I have colored cherry tomato. Also, I cut them into half. I have here sliced red onions and some kalamata olives. I have here chopped Italian parsley and fresh mint. Now I crumble some feta cheese on top. Now we prepare the dressing. I add 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar and 1/2 cup of olive oil with little bit of salt. Shake it very well, then add it on top of the salad. Give it a gentle toss together, mix the dressing with the salad, then enjoy it.